Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today video is about the latest kitchen cabinet design ideas with price ranges. So friends, the price of kitchen cabinets in India can vary widely depending on the materials, design, brand and the size of the kitchen. The price ranges is based on materials commonly used on modular kitchen cabinets. The first one is the laminate cabinets. Its price range is starting from 1000 to 1800 per square foot. It's affordable and widely used and available in various colors and finishes, easy to maintain, durable for daily use. And second one is acrylic cabinets. These cabinets price range is starting from 1500 to 3000 per square foot. Its sleek and glossy finishes, scratch resistance and easy to clean. It's due to the premium look and more expensive than laminates. And third one is membrane cabinets. These price range is starting from 1400 to 2800 per square foot. It's made by heating PVC foil and MDF or other substrates. It's due to the seamless finishes, available in matte and glossy textures and resistant to the moisture. And fourth one is the PU, that means polyurethane finishes cabinets. This price ranges is starting from 2500 to 5000 per square foot. Its high and luxurious finishes, durable and scratch resistance, available in various colors with smooth finishes, require materials for long life. And fifth one is the wood and veneer cabinets. This price range is starting from 2000 to 4000 per square foot. It's offered to the natural wood look, elegance and sophistication. It's require careful maintenance as it's prone to the scratches and water damage. And sixth one is the solid wood cabinets. This price range is starting from 2500 to 6000 plus per square foot. Its premium and traditional natural wood look with unique textures, highly durable but can be costly to maintain and repair. And the factors influencing kitchen cabinets prices, its size of the kitchen. Larger cabinets requires more cabinets increasing the cost, and customization. Custom designs or important hardware will add it to the price. Brands like Sleek, any other brands maybe have varying price of similar materials, and professional installation will add it to the total cost. For mid-size kitchen, to the total cost could be range from 60,000 to 2 lakh or more. It's depending on the choice. For an extra estimate and local suppliers or designer can provide more tailored quotes and based on your preferences. The design of kitchen cabinets is crucial aspect of any kitchen design because it significantly influences functionality and aesthetic and budget. And here is why it's important along with the impact of price considerations. First one is the functionality, storage and organization. The kitchen cabinets determines the amount of storage available and help to organize kitchen essentials, and thoughtfully designed include features like pull out shelves, corner cabinets, and soft close hinges which make the kitchen more user friendly. And kitchen cabinets can be tailored to the specific needs such as spice racks, utensil organizers, or appliance gadgets. Second one is the authentic appeal, style and ambience. The kitchen cabinets dominate the kitchen visual space. Design elements like color, finishes, and hardware. It's create the desired ambience, modern, traditional, and rustic, and etc. feel. Materials like choice, wood, MDF metal, or laminate materials influence the both look and durability. And stylish cabinets can enhance the overall value of the house, especially if they align with the current design trends. And third one is the durability and quality. High quality cabinet designs made with durable materials ensure long life, save the cost in the long term. And poorly made cabinets may require frequent repairs or replacements, leading to higher cumulative expenses. And fourth one is the impact of price. Material cost, its prices vary based on the materials. Solid wood is more expensive than MDF or laminates. And customization versus stock options. Custom cabinets are pricier than stock or semi